If you've never used a gang sheet builder before, don't worry. It's much easier than you might think. In fact, once you understand the basics and get a feel for the layout, it can easily become one of the biggest time savers and money savers in your entire production workflow.
The first step is uploading your artwork. Before you start dragging and dropping, make sure your files are high resolution, ideally 300 dpi, have clean transparent backgrounds, and are fully ready for print with no hidden pixels or stray edges.
Once your designs are successfully loaded into the builder, you have total creative control. You can resize them to your exact specifications, duplicate them with a single click, rotate them to fit tight corners, and arrange everything exactly the way you want. This is where you can really maximize the value of your sheet. Instead of leaving empty spaces and letting valuable film go to waste, look for those open gaps. Fill them up with additional designs, smaller left chest logos, sleeve prints, or neck labels that you know you'll need for future orders down the road.
A well-organized gang sheet doesn't just save material, it drastically reduces waste, lowers your cost per print, and makes the cutting and pressing process way more efficient when the physical film arrives.
Before you finish and hit submit, always take one final careful look at your entire layout. Pay close attention to the margins, check the spacing between your designs to ensure you have enough room to safely cut them apart, and double check that absolutely nothing overlaps. Taking those last few seconds to review your file can prevent some really frustrating and costly mistakes before it goes to the printer.
Remember, the goal here isn't just to throw images onto a canvas, it's to use every single inch of that film as strategically as possible. Once you've done it a couple of times, building a gang sheet becomes quick, simple, and surprisingly satisfying.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.